Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and adrenaline-fueled motorsports in the world. It's more than just sliding around corners. It's a precise, high-skill art form that has taken the automotive world by storm. So buckle up and let's slide into it. Drifting is a driving technique where the driver intentionally oversteers, causing the rear wheels to lose traction while maintaining control of the car. The key? Keeping the car at a high angle while smoothly navigating a corner without spinning out. Unlike traditional racing, where speed and precision are everything, drifting focuses on style, technique, and control. Drivers are judged not just on speed, but on factors like angle, line, and showmanship. Drifting traces its roots back to Japan in the 1970s, with street racers pushing their cars to the limit on twisty mountain roads. One man, Kunimitsu Takahashi, a former motorcycle racer turned car driver, developed the technique of sliding through corners while maintaining grip. Then came Keiichi Tsuchiya, the drift king, who took it to a whole new level. His driving style inspired the first official drifting competitions in Japan, leading to the birth of modern drift culture. By the 1990s and early 2000s, drifting exploded worldwide. Japan's D1 Grand Prix became the first professional drifting series, and soon after, the US and Europe followed suit. Events like Formula Drift brought the sport to massive audiences, turning drifting into a mainstream motorsport. Movies and games like The Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift, and Need for Speed played a huge role in popularizing the sport globally. Today, drifting competitions happen across the world, from local grassroots events to professional leagues. So how do drivers pull off these insane maneuvers? There are multiple drifting techniques, including clutch kicking, a quick press and release of the clutch to break rear traction. Handbrake drift, using the handbrake to slide the car around corners. Feint drift, a sudden weight shift to unsettle the rear tires. Power oversteer, using raw power to send the car sideways. Drift cars are usually rear-wheel drive, with modifications for extra power, steering angle, and durability. Drifting is more than just a motorsport. It's an art form. It combines precision, skill, and pure adrenaline. Fans love the sport for its thrilling action, stylish driving, and the strong community behind it. Unlike other motorsports, drifting has a unique blend of competition and creativity that makes every run feel like a performance. So, whether you're a seasoned drift fan or just discovering the sport, there's no denying its impact on car culture. From Japanese mountain roads to international arenas, drifting has captured the hearts of millions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome automotive content. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite drift car of all time?